Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in a Ford F-150. First, always wear safety glasses and gloves. Before adding refrigerant, it's crucial to confirm there are no leaks in your AC system. A leak will cause the new refrigerant to escape quickly, wasting your effort and money. You'll need an AC recharge kit, which typically includes a can of R134A refrigerant and a hose with a gauge. With your engine running and the AC on full blast, locate the low-pressure service port. This port is typically on the larger diameter aluminum line, often marked with an L cap. It's important not to confuse it with the high-pressure port. Once found, firmly attach the quick connect fitting from your recharge kit to this port. You should hear a click, indicating a secure connection. Now check the pressure reading on your gauge. It should be in the low range if your system needs refrigerant. Screw the can of R134A onto the hose. With the can inverted, slowly squeeze the trigger, allowing the refrigerant to flow into the system. Gently shake the can every few seconds to ensure proper dispersal. Continue this process, checking the gauge frequently, until the pressure reaches the recommended level, usually around 30 to 40 psi. Once the gauge indicates the pressure is in the green zone, typically between 30 and 40 psi, you can disconnect the recharge hose. Start by pulling back on the quick connect collar. Feel the air coming from your vents. It should be noticeably colder. Also, listen for the AC compressor to cycle on and off smoothly. If the AC still isn't cooling properly, or if the pressure drops again quickly, it might indicate a larger issue requiring professional attention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.